There is a very interesting water management system that we have created. We will show you that.
So this is the process we usually follow. We have an 85-liter tank. How is the distribution of the tank, Saurav?
So one is 35 liters, which supposedly is for drinking water, and the other one is 50 liters.
Okay.
But as much as possible, we always try to fill filtered water in both, so less chances of contamination. So we don't have to worry about washing the tanks too often.
So what we're doing is we utilize these water ATMs. We fill these 20-liter cans and then we connect a pipe through this system to fill the tank separately. So we fill the 30-liter and the 50-liter separately. Saurav, where are you connecting it right now?
This pipe goes into the water source like this, and then this goes into the filling part of the, which is here. Now this is done. Now come. Now from there, okay, you see this one with a green tap. This is the inlet of whatever the filling water we have just done. Now we're going to fix this onto the water pump. So I'll disconnect this pipe right here. I'm going to connect this pipe. Okay, it's connected. That water is going to come out from this is the outlet of the second pump where we've just connected. All I have to do now is just turn on this pipe and you will see this water.
The water coming.
Now to fill the water tank, this is the inlet of the drinking water tank, this is the inlet of the usage water tank. All I have to do is now connect this pipe here, and now this water is going to be routed through, and just like that it will start going into the drinking water tank. So open the gravity tap. So I want to clear all the water from the system which was there earlier. Now I'll just close it.
A few moments later.
So I'm just trying to correct the blunder we did while putting the sticker. We were not patient enough to do it slower, so we decided to use a shortcut. So now this tank is full. Now all we have to do is to fill the other tank. Unhook it from here. This one is for filling the usage water tank. So I just hook it on here, press the button again. Now water has started going there. I'll wait for the water to clear the entire system. So the gravity water tap is on right now. Now see, so this old water is clearing out of the system. I'll let a little bit of water go to waste so that there is no old water in the tank. Yeah, perfect. Now this is purely new water. And then I just turn it off. So these are gravity taps. Just in case there is a mechanical failure of the water pumps, we can still use water using these. They don't need any electricity. Done.